In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Train Sim World 6 Special Edition. This is the most upgraded version of Train Sim World 6. So what we need to do is go to our Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more content like this. Once you have done that, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game completely legit. So go to the Steam website. Once you have opened the Steam website, then search for Train Sim World 6 and select the game. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find different editions of Train Sim World 6. We have a standard edition, a deluxe edition, but also a special edition. This is the edition we would like to download on our PC. As you can see, the Steam price is quite expensive, €119.99. But don't worry, we have a workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games legitly online. So what we need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here, and then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game, Train Sim World 6. Now once you have searched for that game, then we can sort by price lowest first, and then we will scroll a little bit down. Now, as you can see, we have different versions. We have the deluxe edition, the normal edition, the Thomas and Friends edition, but if we scroll a little bit more further down, then you will also find the special edition. As you can see, we have the Train Sim World 6 special edition over here, which is available for PC and can be activated in our country. So make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work, and then select the game. After that, you will find out that we can already download this game for €70.76 compared to the Steam price of €119.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a completely legit Steam key activation to activate this game through Steam on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!